Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Spring 2020 Fabfitfun box. I literally just got mine in the mail the other day. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I do post other content. I am going to be posting a pictorial and pictures of this makeup look, so make sure you guys follow me if you want to see that. And make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is what the box looks like. I think that this box is so cute. So for those of you guys who don't know what Fabfitfun is, it's basically a quarterly subscription. It has like makeup, skincare, hair care, lifestyle products in it. So I did get to pick a few of the items in this box, and honestly I can't even really remember because I feel like I picked them quite a while ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling things out randomly. So the first thing that came in my box is this Tarte Pro Glow palette. I'm pretty sure I already have this, or at least I have one similar, so I might be putting this one in a giveaway. I think this is one of the items that I picked. I'm pretty sure that I did pick this one. I don't know, I feel like the choices for this box were not as good as my last box, but here is what the palette looks like. I'm going to try not to touch it just in case I do put this in a giveaway. So it has like highlight and contour shades in here. There is a cream contour shade right here. All of the shades in here look really pretty. I feel like strobe up here would be like perfect for my skin tone. So the next thing is also another one of the items that I did pick out, and this is a necklace, and I thought this was so cute. It's just like a gold coin like double necklace, and it's from the brand Amber. I don't know how to say this. Amber, I don't know. The brand is right there. I'm gonna open this up. I really wanna see how long it is. So it is pretty long. Here's kind of like what it would look like if I was wearing it. I think this is really cute, and the quality of this actually feels really nice. I cannot wait to wear this. Maybe like with a V-neck shirt, I think it would look super cute. I think this is probably the thing that I was most excited about getting. So the next thing that I got is this, and this is a face mask, I believe. This is from the brand Pur Lisse, and honestly I'm not like the biggest fan of their products. I feel like we get a lot of this brand in subscription boxes. I've gotten this brand in Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I feel like they're just in a lot of boxes. This is their Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. It says that it gently resurfaces skin, smooths, and boosts radiance. It says it's for all skin types, and it's free of parabens, mineral oils, synthetic color, all of that stuff. I just don't really see myself using this, so I'm not like too excited about it. This will probably just be in one of my upcoming giveaways. By the way, I am going to be posting a new giveaway very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Next up, we have this right here. This is from the brand, I'm actually not even sure what the brand is. It says that it's a body oil. It says it's a cold press oil with an infusion of amazingly beneficial 100% pure oils and vitamins. This is another thing in my box that I'm really just not excited about. I never use like body oils, so I think this is kind of like, ugh. This is not very exciting to get in the box. This is not something that I picked out. All right, so I think the next thing is also another like body product. I think this says that it's a deep sleep body cocoon. This is from the brand This Works. Isn't that like a brand where people like, I don't know, like a pyramid scheme brand? Maybe that's not what it's called. Maybe that's It Works. I don't know. This is from the brand This Works. It says it's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Yeah, this is a body lotion. What's up with all the body products this month? It says that you're supposed to use this nightly after bathing and bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. It says that it has a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter and other stuff that I don't know how to say. It says that it supports and preserves skin vitality, and it has pure essential oils of lavender and a bunch of other ones. Yeah, I don't know about this. I was hoping it was gonna not be sealed because I wanted to smell it. This is probably another one of those products that I'm not gonna use. I feel like this box is just like so random. The next thing that I got is this box set here of silicone straws. It says that it has 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a plastic case. I'm not like mad about this, but I don't know. Like I have metal straws, but I've never tried silicone straws, but these are pretty cute. Maybe I will like try these out. I think that the colors are super cute. And then here is like the little carrying case. I just don't normally like carry around straws with me, but maybe I should start doing that. So the next thing is also one of the items that I picked out I got this because the other choices were like sold out. This is from the brand Revive Light Therapy, and this is a wrinkle treatment. It's like a little, I think, LED light. It has infrared light, red light, amber light. So basically it says that the light tackles fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, and uneven skin tone. I've honestly like never tried something like this, and I haven't really seen or heard anybody talking about a product like this, so I'm really curious to try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So it does come with the batteries, which is nice. Hopefully I put those batteries in correct. Let's see. Okay, maybe I put the batteries in upside down. Okay, I'm gonna read the instructions maybe. Ooh, okay, I got it working. Here we go. For some reason I thought like it lit up like different colors, but I guess it just lights up red. If you guys have ever tried out something like this, let me know if it actually works. I'm definitely gonna be trying it out just to see. So this is a pretty cool product, I think, to get in the box. So I think we're already on the last thing in the box, which feels like not a lot of products for the spring box. I don't know, I feel like my winter box was so good. So I feel like I'm kind of like a little disappointed. But anyways, the last thing that I got is this leave-in conditioner. This is from the brand AG Hair Care. I've never heard of it. It's called their Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. It says it smooths and calms frizzy, thick, or coarse hair instantly. Apply a quarter-size amount on clean, damp hair, focusing on the ends. I'm always looking for a really good leave-in conditioner, so I'm not like upset about this one, but still not very exciting. So that is everything that came in my spring Fabfitfun box. Overall, I feel like this was just kind of like a disappointing box. I wasn't like too excited about that many of the products. I would say that there was probably about 3 things in the box that I was actually like excited to get. That would be the Tarte palette. I'm also excited about the like wrinkle treatment. And then as you guys know, I am really excited about the like coin necklace, which I thought was really cute, but everything else is just kind of like meh or disappointing. If you guys get Fabfitfun, let me know what you got in your spring box. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.